Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to see how can we perform the list operation in SFTP v2 connector. So I have a sample SFTP v2 connection already set up, and I've selected the action type as list. So the list operation basically fetches the metadata files from the SFTP directory. So since we're using the SFTP v2 connector, the response from this connector will be in JSON format. So let me try to create an operation. So let's name it as SFTP v2 list. We'll have to import the object. So let's import the directory object and click on next. So the object is now loaded, and the UI is basically prompting few suggestions to configure your filter. So I'll select this file name, a wildcard filter, and click on finish. So basically we are searching based on the file name, and I have selected the operator as wildcard match. So let's click on save. Once this is done, you can go to the parameters section. So I'm supplying a star here. So this is the input parameter for my filter condition. So the star will basically match with all the files, and it will list all the file metadata. So we'll have to click on OK. Once this is done, let's try to execute the process. So when using a list operation, we'll get the response for individual document. So a metadata document for each individual file. So here, if you observe, this is the output. So we have the file name, directory, modified date, file size. So these are the metadata basically. And similarly, we receive the metadata for all the available files on that particular SFTP directory. So this is how we perform the list operation. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.